Hi, I'm Sam, and today I'm going to show you the barn door handle pull. The barn door handle pull comes a full 10¼ inches in length and 2 inches in width. The handle is 6¼ inches long and it stands 2 inches tall. It's perfect for doors, drawers, pulls, racks, or any other DIY application. Let's go take a look at how to install one. Thank you for watching this installation video on the barn door handle pull. For more product information and innovations from Federal Brace, go to federalbrace.com and subscribe to our channel.